fire up the 375 mm. It may need some starter fluid to help it. We'll just have to wait and see. As you can hear, the fans are blowing, and there she is, cranking. Here she gets loaded. Loading it into our bed, as I said. And what we've already done here is we've already loaded 212. It's sitting on a ramp, all chained down to the bed and the floor of the trailer. And you can't see it very well from here, but it is sitting piggybacking on the 275 GTVC. That was the Burn Competition alloy car we acquired in Greater Los Angeles. Anyway, we'll just swing the camera and see how our loading up. There's Mr. Sheehan himself, all pleased as punch, just returning from a trip from Atlanta.
Tell me what's new, Mr. Roberts. Holy shit. That's what's new.
That's what's new.
I hope we're charging 20 for this. Holy shit.
He's going to go in and...
We got lots more of this new.
He's going to check in, check the hold down operation. And
holy shit. Now, will the 375 fit in this space?
Yeah. Yeah, it'll fit.
We're going to have to charge them $1,000 to load this thing.
Yeah. Now what we're doing here is we're going to load the ramps onto the 40-foot container. And our mobile unit, our hauler, I should say, will come around if I don't get run over. We'll back it up square. I think Mr. Sheehan would like to do the honors of the last drive.
Gary, I want to fire this puppy and drive it across.
Yeah, I thought so. He will get in the automobile and drive it across the ramps, at least once. We're rolling because we have to show the very technical procedures here. Yeah, beautiful.